Okay, so they know I park here, right? Man, so I'm just gonna do it anyway.
Far away from clarity, I can't feel myself.
See the pumpkins?
Did you steal a bunch of pumpkins? You did not.
I gotta use one tomorrow. Jaren and I are shooting guns.
But that's a lot.
Yeah, that's too many.
Yeah.
I'm getting the pumpkins, right? And I'm near the very end, and I hear the, the police car like, whoop whoop. I hear that, and I heard that, I'm like, oh no, the jig's up.
I still don't know.
We'll probably outshoot them. There's quite the amount. Is that too much or is that fine?
It's a good amount, but yeah, that's fine.
I've never shot guns in my life. Well, I shot like a 22 one time with Tyler, but that's it. I don't know what I'm doing. Which one we doing first?
Shoot skeet. O'Neal. He hit it.
You got it?
You saw the chips.
Yeah, I saw like somebody go down. I was like,
Yeah.
he missed. Is he doing a double thing?
Double bacon cheeseburger. O'Neal. Tell me to pull when you want this thing to go.
Do I shoot it like aim for it or
Just a little bit.
aim near it?
Aim a little bit in front of it. Just a tad bit.
Alright.
Tell me to pull when ready.
Pull.
There you go. Alright, rack it.
Is that right?
Yep.
You can pull it.
Heck yeah. You want to step up to a double?
Yeah.
Alright. Put 2 in.
Alright, do this thing. This way?
No.
This way?
Yes. Push it forward. Alright, put 1 in the tube.
Bang, bang.
Yeah, you gotta do it fast.
Oh. I played Halo, I get it.
Yeah.
Pull. That's trash.
You didn't even get to shoot the second one.
Now I can shoot
Yeah.
mindlessly.
I mean, you say mindlessly, but you still want to have a contact.
Yeah.
Oh, how that didn't hit. That hit. I knocked this one off top. That's what I was aiming for. Nice. And then I created that bullet hole. I was aiming for that pumpkin and actually did that. And then I hit the pumpkin. And I knocked that one off.
Is it ready to go?
Yeah, thumb down the safety.
Ew.
That's what I did. I missed.
Now we just go unload the rest of you guys. Man, guns are pretty cool. That shotgun hurts, but That was fun. What? At least we'll be giving him, we'll be giving the fly some good grub tonight.
Almost 5. We're going to shoot for 20 minutes and go.
Go get that free taco.
Yeah.
Hey Taylor, just back up to your SUV over here. We could just shoot out the back of it.
Alright. There's more small ones in the back. I don't know where you want me to how you want me to decorate it.
Huh?
You save one, then you make it. Let's make the white one like a special target.
Yeah, Taylor, back up so we can just have these guns sitting in the back.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Which one did I get?
Do the AR since it's stuck. It's got 10 rounds in there.
What am I?
You're flagging.
Sorry, I really.
Shoot as fast as you want.
Alright. When you ready?
Yep.
Ew. It's mushy.
Nobody. Oh, somebody just did it.
It's the rare one.
I shot that one.
Yucky.
This looks cool. We getting tacos now?
Yeah.
Lit. By the time we get to Taco Bell, it's gonna be like 5:50. I think it's at 6, so we gotta get going like pronto. So. This was my seat. This was the table that back in high school my friends and I would come sit at. So this feels nice being back here. This was the seat I sat at. The picture for my YouTube channel, we're doing this, doing that thing, that was taken at this spot. It's Pog Jam. You take this, you take it straight, you let it sit. The one who doesn't reach for his water first wins. In high school we would do it and I would actually just throw it onto the ground. There's like no way of doing that. Y'all do anything for Halloween?
No. Yeah, I played Siege.
That sounds like fun. The what?
Dan's taco just fell apart.
I forgot I didn't even film an ending, so I'm just gonna go back to that thing where I said I'm gonna put like meme pictures at the very end when I don't have a true ending to my vlogs. Here you go.
I need